All right, so this is our third SAT problem. All right, and so we have here two linear equations. One equation goes up, one equation goes straight up like this, and then the other one goes up very similar to it, but then it crosses it at a point. Okay, and this point here, that the value for x is 11. Okay, and essentially what we're trying to find in this problem is what is the x value that these two linear equations share. And so I graphed these two linear equations on a program, and it showed me that the point that they meet at, the x value that they meet at, is 11. And so when we solve this equation here, the answer we should get is 11. All right, so let's go ahead and first combine like terms. So I have a 5x on the right side and a 7x on the left side. It's a positive 5, so I'm going to do the opposite of addition, which is subtraction. And I'm just combining like terms. All right, so 7 minus 5 is going to be 2x. Minus 5 equals plus 17, or 17. And then I'm going to add 5 on both sides. 2x equals 17 plus 5. That's going to be 22. Divide 2 on both sides. X equals 11. And so we just proved that the x value that these two lines meet is going to be 11.